welcome back to the channel. For those of you who don't know, my name is Chris Moore, and in today's video, boys, we got a brand hammer new one here, 2026 ZX-6R. This color scheme is sick. So it looks super good. This one here has a M4 full GP exhaust system, and we are about to dyno this puppy and see what she's got. We're gonna run it just as it came in, see what kind of power it makes. Then we're gonna flash the ECU, get rid of all those pesky restrictions, and tune the fuel system on this thing so we have it running absolutely perfect. This is gonna be a super good looking bike when it's all said and done. Also too, the bike has the M4 full system, the GP, but the Baffle's in it. So we're gonna run it like that. I'm gonna talk to the customer, see what he wants to do, because this Baffle kills the horsepower. I'll show you more here in just a second. Alright guys, before we get into today's video, let me take a quick second to tell you about the current giveaway we have going on. It starts Valentine's Day through March 31st. Go on our website, get yourself entered to win very easily. All you got to do, pick yourself out some merch. Anything you buy off the website is going to get you entered to win. Check out this brand new Ducati Panigale V4S. This thing is absolutely insane. Titanium exhaust system, carbon fiber everywhere. And it comes with $5,000 in cash money. If you don't like Ducatis, no problem. We got a brand new Suzuki right here, GSX-R 1000, stretched, lowered, titanium exhaust, carbon fiber, you name it. It comes with $10,000 in cash. Go to mooremafia.com right now through March 31st. Get yourself entered to win. Good luck, guys. Here we go, guys. Bike is all warmed up. Let's do the baseline pull. Also, remember, the Baffle is in. Just listen to the difference Baffle in versus Baffle out. In my opinion, it doesn't change it a ton. First pull, we set the dyno horsepower record, 518 horsepower and 96 cents. Just kidding. So that was a glitch in the RPM curve.
Yeah, I watched it flutter.
Yeah, so we fixed all that. No big deal. So there we are with our factory horsepower with the M4 exhaust, 112.99. I know, disappointing, right? Not what you read in the magazine or in the advertisements. Well, we got crazy factory restrictions that are kicking in on this thing. As you can see, our horsepower straight up, straight back down. So it tanks before it hits red line. Actually, you'd never even really hear it hit red line. It just and goes back down. It never gets a chance to, hit the rev limiter. But anyways, as I talked earlier, the Baffle is very restrictive. We're gonna take that thing out right quick and we're gonna run it again to see what we have without flashing the ECU. In other words, just removing the Baffle. Now we got ourselves a free-flowing exhaust. This thing is still hot, so I can't show you super good, but you can see it looks pretty open until you get to this part and she's completely sealed off. So it only takes about 30 seconds to get it out. Let's fire this thing up. For one, see how it sounds. Two, see how much power difference it makes. Comment, let me know how much difference does it sound on camera. So we definitely picked up power, and it actually did hit the rev limiter. So not a ton of gain up here, but remember, our ECU is not flashed yet, and our throttle is not wide open here. So even though our hand is pinned here, it's only at about 60% throttle when it gets up here. So at 60% throttle, we don't need that much increased airflow, but look how much more power we got down low by pulling the baffle out. And that was pretty much free of charge, guys. So if you got one of these things, in my opinion, the baffle's got to stay over there in the pile, not in the exhaust. But what do you think about the sound? It definitely is louder, but I think it's a sacrifice worth doing. ECU is flash. Restrictions are long gone, guys. We've made a couple runs without you. We've got the air-fuel ratio pretty well dialed in. One thing I did want to point out, the customer did inform me that he does have TST Industry velocity stacks in this thing, which helps our top end power. I'll talk more about that in a second, but let's see what kind of results we got now. Nice gains, guys. 122.40 from our 113.96 that the thing arrived with. Super smooth power curve. Look at how much better this looks compared to the stock. And then you can see here, we've got massive gains where those stock restrictions came in. Overall, super, super good. Let me see if I can squeeze any more out of it. I'll be right back. Here we go, guys. Cross our fingers. Let's see if we can get 123. 49 exhaust, velocity stacks, DNA air filter, and Moore Mafia ECU Flash and tune. Remember, Baffle out. I'm tempted to put the Baffle back in just to show you how much it kills it, but this thing is going to be so hot, our little fingers would be gone. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, subscribe to the channel, smash the like button. Go check our other videos out, Dyno tuning ZX6s. I go more in depth into what goes into the ECU Flash. I don't want to bore you guys. I just wanted to show you what a badass ZX6 this 2026 model is. It looks insane. All right, guys, appreciate you watching. See you next time.